Hi everyone out there in OET land, this is Alicia from BPME telling you about a live OET writing class that we have coming up on Tuesday next week. That is the 12th of December at 12:30 London time. It's going to be divided into 3 segments. The first one, we're going to do a live writing correction of a task that one of you submits. In the second segment, we will take snippets from other submissions that we receive and look at how we can improve, what is good practice, and how not to lose marks. And in the third segment, you get to ask me any questions. This is a real interactive class, so we have a cutoff of 30 students, so you register. You see the QR code there. If you've got 2 devices, you can scan the code, or you can click on the link that we put below this video and you will come to this page. You just scroll down, fill in the information, and if you want us to consider your writing task, you just add the file here and submit. And that's it. We look forward to seeing you next week.